we are driving from London to Stonehenge and then Stonehenge to Cornwall. We're going to see lots of cool things. Hopefully we get Stonehenge before the sun goes down, fingers crossed, and then we can get the drone out. We are very excited, can't wait to see Stonehenge, can't wait to see Cornwall. It's all going to be great. Excited? See you in a bit. Bye. Bye.
Yeah, we did.
So the touristy bit shuts at about 7:30. So we just found a little kind of side road and we parked up there and we got the drone out and we got some footage. So there you go. Very exciting. It was a lot bigger than what I remember. I saw it when I was a kid, but Phil's never seen it before. So did you like it?
I did. It was fun. I'd like to go see it up close.
Yeah. We might come and see it again up close on the way back when we're heading back to London. Now we are heading to Cornwall. We're going to stay in a little Airbnb and it says it's going to take about 3.5 hours to get there. Good morning!
Good morning!
Today we are going to see something called the Prosperous Wheel, which is a big abandoned building with a huge chimney-like thing on it. And then we're also seeing something called the Botanic Mines, which are like these abandoned buildings on the edge of a cliff, so that looks really cool as well. And we're also going to see St Michael's Mount as well, which looks really cool. There's little windows where you can see the sea and then you can look up and see the chimney. It's really cool. It's probably one of the coolest abandoned things that I've seen. So Wheel Prosper was built in the 1860s and it was used to pump water out of an undersea copper mine. Now at the Botanic Mines, which are really cool. Phil's found a cave.
Oh, I'm scared.
So we're now leaving the Botanic Mines. They were really cool. I'm really glad we went to see those. I'm very surprised. The last two things that we've seen, there's been literally no people around, which I'm really surprised at. Maybe it's because it's not a bank holiday, but it's literally been dead and it's been so nice to just kind of get the drone out and film without worrying about having loads of people around, so that's good. But yeah, they were both really, really beautiful, and we're now going to head to Land's End because we're heading back to St Michael's Mount, but we thought we'd just pass by Land's End on the way because it'd be cool to see the end of the land, so that'll be fun. Excited.
Where land meets the sea.
Yes.
Hey! Woo! ended. Couldn't ask for more.
And now we're heading to St Michael's Mount, which is our final stop on the trip. Cornwall and we're heading to Stonehenge. We did see it on the way here, but we only got to film it with the drone, so we're actually gonna go up to it properly and walk up to it and stuff. So very excited. Are you excited?
Yeah, get up close and personal with the stones.
Thank you so much for watching this video. We hope you enjoyed it. We hope you liked seeing all things in Cornwall and Stonehenge and all that stuff. So if you did like this video, then please subscribe, like, comment and all of that stuff, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye!